Hey everyone, I'm Tony with Clarkson Santoro, and I have another house I'd like to show you. Today I'm at 5403 Carnegie Loop. It's in the Dunsmuir neighborhood of Livermore, California. It's a 6-bedroom, 4-bath house that's just over 3,500 square feet. The first reason why I think you'll love to call this house home is the neighborhood. This Dunsmuir neighborhood is beautiful. It's got wide open tree-lined streets with the houses set back from the curb, so you really feel the roominess of the house even before you get to the front door. The neighborhood also surrounds a large 14-acre park with basketball courts, large fields, picnic areas, a playground, and it's also really close to the Livermore wine country. The second reason why I think you're going to love to call this house home is this beautiful kitchen. It's very large with lots of storage, including a pantry around the corner. Additionally, a beautiful 6-burner gas cooktop, large fridge, double oven, and lots of counter space. It's an open floor plan that leads directly to the family room, giving you great entertaining options. The third reason why I think you'll love to call this house home is this beautiful backyard. It provides many entertaining options. The pool and spa are surrounded by a beautiful concrete deck, and the deck continues around the house to a covered sitting area next to a fire pit, and also connects seamlessly to the wraparound patio on the rest of the house. The fourth reason why I think you'll love to call this house home is this large master suite. It's so big you may never want to leave. The large bedroom has tall ceilings and a large walk-in closet that's bigger than most secondary bedrooms. The master bathroom comes equipped with a dual vanity, separate water closet, a stall shower, and a luxurious soaking tub. So those are the 4 main reasons I think you'll love to call this house home. There are a lot of other reasons, and I'll show you the rest of the house in a second. But if you want to get more information about the house, you can follow the link down in the description. It'll take you to our website where you can get more photos and information, or set up a time to come see the house in person. We'd love to give you a private tour. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 5403 Carnegie Loop in Livermore, California. Don't forget to follow the link down in the description to get more information about the house or to set up a time to come see the house in person. We'd love to give you a private tour. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you know every time we have a brand new listing. Thanks again for watching. My name's Tony, and I'll see you next time.